What if you could turn your own voice into a fully produced AI song in just a few minutes? Whether you're a singer, creator, or complete beginner, Suno AI makes it easy to create original music. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use your own voice with Suno AI and get the best possible results. Hello everyone. Welcome back. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Suno AI website. Sign into your account, then click Create to open the music generation page. Before using your voice, record a clean vocal sample. Find a quiet room, use a decent microphone or your phone, and record your singing or humming with as little background noise as possible. Save the recording in a supported audio format. Now, if your version of Suno includes an audio upload or voice input feature, upload your recording. If your account doesn't have this feature, you can still use your own lyrics and melody as a guide by recording them first and then recreating the song using Suno's available creation tools. Feature availability depends on your plan and the version of Suno you're using. Next, enter a detailed prompt describing the style of music you want. For example, modern pop song with emotional piano, powerful drums, cinematic production, uplifting chorus, and professional studio quality sound. If you're writing your own lyrics, paste them into the lyrics section. If not, ask Suno AI to generate lyrics based on your chosen theme. Now choose your music style, mood, and any available settings, such as genre or song length. The more specific your prompt is, the better the generated music usually sounds. Click Generate and wait while Suno AI creates your song. Once it's ready, listen carefully to the result. If it isn't exactly what you imagined, improve your prompt, adjust your lyrics, or refine your vocal recording, and generate another version. Small changes can make a big difference. Finally, download your finished song. Worst, if you want an even more polished result, you can edit the audio in software like Audacity, Adobe Audition, or another digital audio workstation before publishing it on YouTube, Spotify, or other platforms. That's it. You've learned how to create music with Suno AI using your own voice or original vocal ideas. Keep experimenting with different prompts, genres, and lyrics to create songs that match your unique style. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know which AI tool you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.